Fast, effective communication is key to team success, and email alone doesn't cut it. The right chat app helps your team stay connected, collaborate instantly, and move faster. After working with dozens of tools, here are my top 5 chat apps for teams. At number 5 is Chanty. It's simple, lightweight, and budget friendly. Great for smaller teams or startups. It offers basic chat, file sharing, and task management in a clutter-free interface. A solid pick if you need something easy and affordable. Number 4 is Mattermost. It's open source, self-hosted, and built for privacy-focused teams. If you're in tech, government, or finance and care about controlling your data, Mattermost gives you the flexibility and security you need. At number 3 is Google Chat. Seamlessly integrated into Gmail and Google Workspace, it's excellent for teams already using Google tools. With threaded conversations, shared spaces, and calendar integration, it's clean, fast, and built for productivity. Number 2 is Microsoft Teams. More than just a chat app, it brings together chat, video calls, document collaboration, and calendar features. Ideal for organizations using Microsoft 365, Teams is powerful for both internal and external communication. And at number 1, Slack. Still the go-to for modern teams. With channels, threads, integrations, bots, and powerful search, Slack helps you organize everything from project updates to team culture. It scales well and fits into just about any workflow. The right chat app depends on your team's size, tech stack, and communication style, but these 5 offer proven ways to stay aligned and efficient without the inbox overload.